Welcome to creating your very first Facebook video. So let's get started. Open the PowerPoint presentation and delete the text boxes. Now go to Google and open up your URL and type PowerPoint images background. Select an image to suit your kaupapa. Copy the image and paste into your PowerPoint presentation slide. Use mouse cursor and drag image to fit slide. Click Insert at the top of the toolbar. Choose Text Box and place into your slide. Click Insert at the top of the toolbar. Choose Text Box and place into your slide. Use the mouse to adjust the size to fit the page as shown below. Choose Font Size and Theme Fonts. Place mouse cursor on the text box and right-click. Scroll down and click Format Shape. A Format Shape window will open up. Click Solid Fill and go to the Color box and choose a color. And then close. Your text box will be filled with the color you have chosen. You can start typing your story in here now. You can start typing what you want to say here. The above text is a good way to start a topic. If there was any way of being successful, then I have found it in kindness and compassion. You can type what you want to say in the article strip. This makes things easier to say by reading what you have written, especially for recording purposes. Now it's time to record your PowerPoint presentation. Please follow the instructions below. There are several ways to record your project. You can open your microphone on your computer or laptop, or you can use your mobile phone and use a voice recorder app. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the voice recorder on my mobile phone. Download the app Smart Recorder from your Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the Smart Recorder app, you can open the device and start recording your presentation. You can write down a script to read if you want, either in the presentation or a printout on another piece of paper for you to read. It is easier to record one slide at a time, and then you can type in the app in your phone. Slide 1 or slide 2, etc., etc., until you are done recording. Then save the completed recordings to a file in your laptop. Once you have completed downloading your recordings to your laptop, then you are ready to upload to your presentation. Go to the top of the page, to the Insert, and click, and then a window will open. Then go to Audio next to Video. Click the drop down and choose Audio from File, and then click a window will open named Insert Audio File. Choose the recording file you had saved earlier and then click Slide 1. Repeat for uploading all slides. A speaker image will show on the page. when the upload has been completed, like the one below, a play bar and a speaker image. You can place this icon anywhere on your presentation. I normally place the icon at the top of the page in the corners. You can play and listen to the recording as well. When you click the icon, it will light up showing a play bar. A playback will appear at the top bar next to Format. Go to On Click and choose Automatically. Your recording will play automatically when you present your slide and video presentation. Follow the same procedure for the rest of your recordings and place into the appropriate slides. You can upload a YouTube music video and convert it in an online video converter, as shown below. You may have to adjust an MP4 file to an MP3 file so it can be downloaded to PowerPoint. Click on Select and choose a saved file on your laptop. The program will convert your MP4 to an MP3. When it has finished, click Download. Your MP3 will be saved to your laptop, ready to be uploaded to your presentation. Upload your MP3 to slide 1. An icon will show on the page like the picture below. Place the icon to the top of the page opposite to the voice recording icon. Click on the MP3 icon and click on the playback next to the Format and go to the On Click and choose Play Across Slides. You only have to upload your MP3 once, and once you have followed the above instructions, the music will play right across all the slides in your presentation. The next stage is to compress your PowerPoint presentation into a video. Click on File at the top of the toolbar and go to Info. Click on the Compress Media. Choose Internet Quality. A window will open and the slides in your presentation will start to convert automatically. When finished, click the Close icon. Click Internet Quality. A window will open and the slides in your presentation will start to compress automatically. When finished, click the Close icon at the bottom. Click File and the Save As icon, and a Save window will open. Below is the file name, Save As type. Click and go up to Windows, Media, Video, and click. At the bottom page bar, your project will be converting to a FBWMV video. Wait until the conversion is finished and then save your project. Now open your URL and open your YouTube channel to upload your video. Click the arrow at the top bar. A new page will open showing this icon below. Click the icon and a file window from your computer or laptop will open. Choose the converted video file in your folder to upload. It will upload and show how long the video will take to upload to YouTube. When finished, choose which picture you want to publish, and it will show a URL code as well. click the video and it will be uploaded to the URL where you can watch. Copy the URL of your video and open your Facebook account. Go to the page that you want to place your video. Paste the URL link into where you post your articles. The video will automatically upload. Once it has finished uploading, click post and you are done. You can click on the photo image to watch your video in another tab. You are actually watching a YouTube video that you have uploaded to YouTube and saved to your computer. Also, anyone can click on the video image to watch your video online. Humility leads to strength and not to weakness. It is the highest form of self-respect to admit mistakes and to make amends for them. Dorere te whānau ma te atua tātou katoa e manaki e tiaki pai Māori.